Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making some honey jerk chicken. I'm using chicken breast. I just cut it up into small pieces, seasoned it. Now I'm adding it in the pan to cook with some butter. Okay, so it was cooking for a while. Now it's time to flip them over so they can cook on the other side. Okay, so when the chicken was done, I went ahead and started with the sauce. So for the sauce, I'm using some butter, honey, and some jerk seasoning. Okay, so I'm just mixing everything up. Then I'm going to be adding the chicken inside of the sauce. Okay, so now I'm just mixing it up. And then I'm just going to plate it and show you how it looks.